Hi everyone, Chris here, and today I wanted to revisit mind mapping because I got some really fun questions. Essentially, a few people were asking what exactly is a mind map and what's the whole idea. So I thought we'd have a little fun, and I brought up that Mind Node software that I was talking about yesterday as one of the pieces of software I recommend if you fall in love with mind mapping and you want to do it on your MacBook or your iPad. It'll even work on your iPhone, although it gets a little small doing that. So obviously we're a little scrunched up here because I want to make this work if you're on a mobile. And let's start with hiding this side over here. So we're just going to hide. There you go. So we have the core of our mind map here. And so a mind map starts with a center node, your main idea. So we're going to be talking about what exactly is a mind map and what's all this stuff. So as you can see, we've got our different concepts coming out of the mind map, and we can expand this even farther if we expand this out a little. So mind map, what is a mind map? It's used to visually organize information. It's hierarchical. As you can see here, we have the what and then the things that fit under the what, hierarchical. It shows relationships among the pieces of the whole, and it's a diagram, so it's visual. A little bit of the history, which is not very interesting. It was popularized by a British psychology author and television guy, Tony Buzan. I don't even know how to say it. But lots of people have mind mapped through history, including Leonardo da Vinci. Oh, look at that. That doesn't look right because this should fall under that. So you can see we can keep and we can reorganize. That's one of the things I like about this piece of software. It's very easy to do this. So we come over here and let's look at some of the uses for a mind map. So we have that a mind map can help generate ideas. I stole all this off Wikipedia, by the way. So mind map can be used to generate ideas, to visualize ideas and concepts, to structure ideas, classify. You can use it as an aid to studying, organizing information, problem solving, decision making, and as a writing aid. I love using mind maps as a writing aid. Really helps like sort of throw out an outline if you're not the type of person who likes to outline. I like to outline too. One of the things that this software does, we kind of saw it here, is you can generate an outline from the mind map, which is kind of fun. So there we go. So what are the guidelines? What's the advice given to do a mind map? And again, I just stole these off Wikipedia. So, whoa, look at that. So the guidelines for creating a mind map are to start in the center with an image of the topic or just the word. I use the word here. And then use symbols or codes throughout the mind map just to make it your own. And then you put them on their own line, each different idea. And then you connect, everything gets connected back to the center and make the lines the same as the word. So make all these the same color. And develop your own personal style of mind mapping. This is important, and this is one of the things that I love about doing a mind map on paper because you can really have fun there. And then it's the last piece of advice is to keep the mind map clear by using a hierarchy that embraces all of your stuff. And so that's essentially, zoom to fit. There we go. So there's the mind map we made about mind maps. And this software is pretty great because you could do all kinds of fun stuff. Let me pull this over. Oops, that's not what I want. Let's see, there we go. You can add photos and stickers and all kinds of neat things. So the key to that one is, but I use photos a lot in here, like if you see something that you like. So if we make that shrink, there's the key. And then also, if you add notes, to your item, and then shrink it, you get the little It's a little hard to see with our zoom here. Let's zoom back to 100%. Slide over. You can kind of see it has a little icon there for the notes. Whoa, look at that. And then what else can you... Oh, yeah, you can make these a task. Oops, I've not selected anything. So you can make it a to-do list item. So if we make these all to-do list items, then you can see we get a little circle here. It shows how far we're completed. Oop, look at it go. We're halfway done. Boom, we're done. Then we check mark that. So this is the Mind Node software, and this is the basic little, really quick idea of what a mind map is all about and how you can use it. So you can certainly see drawing these on paper can be fun, but if you really dive into a mind map, you can end up with some crazy, crazy mind maps. Let's see if I have, what's a big one that I have that's personal? 2019, is this the 2019 goals? I don't know. I've got one of these. Yeah, this one might do it. Let's zoom to fit. Yes. So here we go. Let's make this fit so you can see just how crazy you can get with a mind map. So clearly I'm not going to put this on a piece of paper. Let's zoom to fit again. Look at that crazy mind map, and this is just random stuff I wanted to do this year. So that's mind mapping in a very, very quick nutshell, and I will chat with you. You know what? Let's keep this. This is a fun one. I will chat with you tomorrow.